Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to our French lesson. Today, we'll cover something super important, all the French subject pronoun, the difference between to and vous and how to introduce people in your life, your family, your friends, and more. And of course, we'll learn some useful family vocabulary to make it real. Ready? On y va. Subject pronoun replace the name of a person or thing. In English we have he, you, he, she, we, they, French has its own set. Let's write them down. Je y. Tu you, informal. Il y. Elle she. On one we, informal. Nous we, formal. Vous you, formal plural. Ils they, masculine mixte. Elles they, féminine. There are some rules which you should remember. When je becomes if the next word starts with a vowel or a silent H, je drops the and take sans apostrophe. Example, j'aime le chocolat. I like chocolate, j'habite à Paris. I live in Paris, je am is never used. Next, mon instead of ma before a vowel even if the noun is feminine, use mon, masculine form, before a vowel sound to make it easier to pronounce. Example, mon ami, my friend, féminine, mon école, my school, féminine, ma amie sounds awkward in French. Lastly, vous can be both formal and plural use vous for one person formally, and for any group of people, no matter how informal the situation. Example, vous êtes mon professeur. You are my teacher, formal singular, vous êtes mes amis. You are my friends, plural informal. Now let's move on to our next topic, which is difference between tu and vous. One of the first choices in French is whether to say tu or vous. Tu is used for informal you like for friends, family, people your age, children. Vous is used for formal you like for strangers, older people, professional situation. And remember, vous also means you in the plural, no matter the level of formality. Examples, tu es mon ami. You are my friend. Informal, vous êtes mon professeur. You are my teacher. Formal. Now that we know all the subject pronoun, the polite and informal ways of saying you, now let's learn how to introduce someone. We'll start with one person, then move to family and friends. If you want to introduce someone use. Je te présente. For informal and je vous présente. For formal or to a group. Example, je te présente Marie. I introduce you to Marie. Je vous présente Monsieur Dupont. I introduce you to Mr. Dupont. The person reply with enchanté, male, or enchanté, female, nice to meet you. Since we're introducing people, let's first learn family vocabulary, so we can talk about our loved ones. Let's begin. Le père means father. La mère means mother. Le frère means brother. La sœur means sister. Le fils means son. La fille means daughter. Le cousin la cousine means cousin, MF. L'oncle means uncle. La tante means aunt. Les parents means parents. Les enfants means children. And lastly l'ami means friend, MF. Remember, in French, every noun has a gender, we use le for masculine and la for féminine. Plural noun use les. Now, if you want to introduce your family or friends, you can say, this is, or voici, here is, and then add their name or you can also add relationships you have with them. For example, c'est mon père. This is my father, voici ma sœur. Here is my sister. Or je te présente mon ami Paul. I introduce you to my friend Paul. When you talk about my in French, it change depending on gender and number. Mon is used for my with, masculine or before a vowel, ma for my with, féminine, and my, plural. And now, let's put everything together for one last practice. Let's imagine you're meeting my family. Bonjour, je vous présente mon père, Jacques. Voici ma mère, Sophie. Et voici mon ami, Marc. Now it's your turn. In the comments, introduce your family or friends using say, voici, or je te vous présente. Et voilà. Today you learned subject pronoun, tu versus vous, introducing people, family vocabulary, and how to present your loved ones. Like, share and subscribe for more French lessons. Très bien, merci et à bientôt.